It's absolutely great to be here at London Fintech Week for one more year with so many more people around this time. I've just come off stage talking about embedded finance. I spent some time doing a keynote on what is it, why is it all of a sudden top of mind for everyone, and what are the difficult decisions that we as an industry need to make next. And then I handed the stage to a fantastic panel of experts who are going to talk about plumbing and infrastructure and what happens under the hood to make these things actually work. I discussed the fact that embedded finance seems to have emerged fully formed out of nowhere. About a year ago, nobody was talking about it, and within the space of 6 to 8 months, it's top of mind for everyone and used interchangeably with banking as a service or open finance. So I unpacked a little bit, what is it, and why it has become flavor of the month all of a sudden. And sort of the executive level summary is that we've spent 10-15 years as an industry maturing all the capabilities, both technological and regulatory, that are required for open finance to even be possible. And the players are beginning to understand how to monetize, how to actually turn these capabilities into a business. And there's some interesting choices to be made by all the businesses around the table in their business, financial decisions, not technological ones, because the technology has matured over the last 15 years. Absolutely. So BaaS, banking as a service, comes with a whole host of technical capabilities that allow services to be layered, right? That allows a bank to provide its license and allows third parties to work on top of that license. Technology is how we make it work. But that technology is out there. It exists, it's tested, it's scaled. The difficulty is working out the economics, the business of where you as a participant in this will play, where you're going to invest, which pieces of the puzzle will be the pieces that you bring, and where you believe you can make money. And what is interesting about banking as a service is that it creates different relationships between parties and services. So the way that banks have historically understood relationships and commercial exchanges is completely blown out of the water and reconfigured until you work out how you make money, how much money you stand to make, what the risk profile of what you're doing is. You don't know where to invest. So there are a lot of decisions that need to be made, and very few of them are technical, because once you've decided what your business plan is, choosing the right providers is a much smaller ask. What we are seeing quite a lot of in the industry is that players are still approaching it as a technical conversation, looking at what is possible and letting that technology drive the decision making. And it's not working because the technology is out there, mature and ready to be used. But what you want to achieve with this, where you as a business will play in this, cannot be driven by the technology. It's a leadership choice.